Well, hello, it's a happy day here at Window Screen Adventures. We are working on a door that one of my customers bought a doggy door, pardon me. You can see it there, to be installed so that her dog can come and go as he sees fit. Apparently, the handyman attempted to install this and couldn't figure it out. They're a little complicated. It took me a little while to figure this out. One of the things is you can see that line that runs around there on the right side and at the bottom. It's where the spline will go. That's what keeps it attached to the screen. These doors are actually pretty good because they hook onto the frame. They'll screw on to the bottom and to the side there of the frame. And then once they're installed, we'll put the screen in. And the only place there won't be screen is right there where the doggy door is. Anyway, should work out just great. We're going to put this in today up here in Oak Park, California. Perfect day. It's already 70 and it's only about 11 o'clock here in January. All right, Window Screens Adventure. If you're looking to keep the bugs out and let the wind in, we're the company to call. 805-444-4795. Hope you have a great week.